The UK said, quote, "We will be shooting down unidentified drones over UK military sites." Now this is really quite a big deal, and it's important to understand what's caused it. For the last month, Europe has seen a surge of unidentified drones flying over protected sites, from airports to military installations. In Denmark alone, dozens of drones have been spotted hovering near runways and restricted airspace. But rather than shooting them down, Denmark just closed its airports and waited for the drones to leave. And that decision sparked outrage across NATO. Shortly after, both NATO and France accused a Russian cargo ship of being connected to these drone incidents. No proof was ever released, but the suspicion alone was enough to alarm European defense officials. And now the UK has decided to do what Denmark wouldn't. British forces have been authorized to shoot down any unidentified drones that fly over their military bases, whether in the UK or abroad. The government says this is a strictly defensive measure, but insiders admit the move is directly linked to fears of Russian surveillance or sabotage. To be fair, it makes sense. If a drone's flying over a military base, you shoot it down. That's just common security procedure. And finally, London seems to agree. Still, this marks one of the most direct warnings to Moscow since the war in Ukraine began. The next unidentified drone that enters UK airspace might just not leave it. Do you think the UK's decision will deter Russia, or could it push NATO closer to open confrontation? Share your thoughts below.